So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and as it's a weekend, so we are back with another educational video. And today we are going to learn a very simple, a very basic trading strategy. Very simple and very basic in terms is that it will be using only two things. We'll be using only two things in this strategy. I call it a peaceful strategy because this strategy does not demand hypertension or unnecessary and over analyzing the charts. We will be needing just two simple basic things and will be trading based upon that. So first of all, let's open the trading view. This is tradingview.com and I'll be going into the charts. So yeah, this is the chart of Infosys on the screen right now. So I will show you what are the things that I have added on this. This blue line, if you can see, this is the simple moving average, which with period of which is 10 SMA. This is, and this is RSI with a level of 40 and 60 upper zone and 40 lower zone. Okay, and now if somebody of you doesn't know how to add these two things, then you can just simply go to the indicators and here you can search moving average. So here the normal moving average one, you have to click on this and then there will be option which period moving average. Okay, let me show you. Like I have already added, so now it's two moving averages now on my screen. So let me show you. Okay, we'll go to the settings. Okay, so this is the chart setting. By mistake we have opened the chart setting. We have to go to the okay. This is moving average settings. You can see length 10. Just you have to change this length. That's it, nothing else you have to do. And we will remove the other one. Okay, so the other one has been removed. The only one we have now is our 10 SMA. Okay, and this is RSI. Once you will add the RSI from the above setting, then you can go to the settings and you can change the upper band to 60 and lower band to 40. Okay, so now we have complete setup. 10 SMA is here, RSI with 40-60 levels and 15 minutes chart. So now the buy criteria for us is that RSI should cross 40 zone from the bottom. So RSI should cross the 40 zone from the bottom, and candle at that time should close above the 10 SMA. So RSI is crossing the 40 zone from bottom and going above, and here is this candle. So this, if this candle closes above the 10 SMA, then we are going to say that this is a valid trade based upon our strategy. But as you can see, when RSI crossed the 40 level from the bottom, candle has not closed above the 10 SMA, so this is not a valid trade. Okay, so this is the simplest setup I can offer to all of you. You can see just an RSI crossover, and again another thing you have to look at, that at that time the candle is formed must be closing above the 10 SMA. So you only have to look at these two things, nothing else. You should not worry about the anything else. Okay, so now let me show you some examples of it. So the example, okay, let me first tell you the shorting criteria. So shorting criteria is when RSI should cross the 60 level from above. Here you can see the 60 level, RSI should cross 60 level from above, and the candle at that time. So here you can see the RSI has crossed the 60 level somewhere here, and this candle has closed below the 10 SMA. So here we can easily short and we can book the profit easily. Here you can see the exact point of the RSI crossing is not this candle. Right now this candle, you might see that RSI have crossed the 60 level from above, at this level, but you have to see that the RSI crossing is between these two candles somewhere. That's why we'll be taking this candle as the right one, because RSI has crossed somewhere when below the 60 level when this candle was forming. Okay, because the RSI coming down from above is happened between the formation of these two candles, means we have to take this candle as the appropriate one, and then you can simply short sell. Okay, now let me also show you some buy example where you can easily long this stock. So I have taken an example here. You can see at this candle, you can see this candle has closed above the 10 SMA, and RSI is crossing the 40 level from below and going above. So at this level we will be taking entry into the trade. Okay, take entry after the close with SL as the candle low. So this candle low is our SL, and we'll be taking the entry. So now as you can see, the it has made a high till here. Okay, we have taken entry on this candle. So the opening of this candle was 1349 and the high made is 1363. So a 14 points gain, good enough I think. And then this has crossed below this candle over somewhere here. So it was a good trade. You can see for a long time this trade has sustained. So our target will be the first time when RSI touches the 60 level. So as you can see, this candle has made the high, and at this candle only RSI is also touching the 60. So this is our target. So okay, not big target, 14 points is good enough. We are trading for intraday, and we can find same opportunities not just once but twice in a day. As you can see, we'll be finding a lot of opportunities, and this is the simplest intraday trade. And let me show you how much candle does it took. 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and the 11th candle. So 165 minutes something, which is like less than 3 hours. In 3 hours we got 14 points, but our trade was so strong. Now we'll see another example of it. Another example you can see here. At this point you can see RSI has not crossed the 40 level at this candle, but at this candle RSI was already above the our 40 level. Means that during the formation of this candle somewhere RSI has crossed the 40 level from bottom and has gone above. So we will be entering the trade on this candle, and opening of this candle was 1352 and the high made was somewhere here, you can see. But our target was achieved here as RSI has touched the 60, top of the 60. So entry point was, so we have gained another 13-14 points. So it is a good trading system, easiest trading system. All you have to look is at the two things. Whenever RSI is going above the 40 level from bottom, you have to see that thing is that on the 15-minute chart, the candle formed at that time must close above the 10 SMA. Then you can long this stock. The target will be when RSI touches the 60 level, that's your target, and your stop loss will be below the candle candle of confirmation. The candle which was formed above the 10 SMA and RSI was going above the 40 level, that candle low is your SMA and you is your stop loss, and you will take entry into on the next candle, and your target will be when the RSI first touches the 60 level. So this is as simple as that. And for the short criteria, I have told you RSI must be crossing the 60 level from above and must be going below, and that time candle must close below the 10 SMA. Then on the next candle we'll be taking entry, and the previous candle's high will be our stop loss, and our target will be the first time when RSI touches the 40 level. So this is the simplest trade I can offer. I hope you have also understood the examples. Here also one example was there when the crossing has happened, and at this candle I think we have taken the trade. Opening was 366 and this is low was R. So this is not a good trade. We have not booked much profit, but still you can see on this trade we can see that our stop loss what was triggered. Okay, so we have founded 3 trades. Out of those, 1 stop loss has triggered. So the thing is that this trade is very simple and very straightforward. So the success rate of this trade is going to be the 70-30. So if you are taking 10 trades, then 7 times this strategy is going to work, and 3 times it is not going to work. So that's why always maintain your risk management. I have given you the stop loss and target, so you have to follow that. And if you are entering this trade for the first time, don't give up. At least enter into this trade for a substantial times, that it can give you the probability of passing. It might happen then when you take this trade, first 3 times you fail, but rest 7 times you will definitely get the results. So paper trading is advised in beginning. You should paper trade based upon this strategy for a few days, then only you should go into real time trading with investing the real capital once you are completely satisfied. Because I have given you 3 examples. In only 1 example a stop loss was triggered. Another 2 examples we have booked a good amount. We have booked around 30 rupees in 2 trades, and we have lost around, if this was our opening was 366 and this high was our 374, so we have lost 8 rupees compared to we have gained 30 rupees. So it's a good strategy, simple to understand. I hope you all of you have understood what I was trying to say, and I hope you liked the video. This video was knowledgeable for all of you, so please do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.